boys and girls, this is Miss Williams. We miss you lots and we hope you have a great summer. Today I'm going to read Donuts, the whole story. Clock strikes 5, shop is closed, donuts sleep, so we suppose. Donuts here, donuts there, lots of donuts everywhere. Some with frosting, some without. Some with jelly in, some without. Well, this is a bit of a jam. Sprinkles, come back here. Powdered donuts, maple bars, eh? Typical who wrote this book. Donut trucks, donut trains, donuts do not make good planes. Donut pirate, donut ship. Come down, Pan, or you'll get just dessert. Donuts take trip to take a dip. Donuts play a donut sport. Chomp! Donuts take the last result. It's a whole new ball game. Donuts dance in sprinkle rain. Donuts floors must need a drain. Donut doctor, donut bed. Donuts who just treat the head. I don't know, I just feel empty inside. You're a tough donut to crack. Feeling crumbly? Jelly. Donut farms where donuts grow. Who is hiding in the row? Robber meets the dog fall down. I'm going to be rolling in dough. Nuts. Robber's caught. Dog is back, so is the money in the sack. Donut ever run away again, Sprinkly Poo. We'd be in the hole without this. Donut celebrating and singing. Donuts can do anything. Morning nears, so donuts run. Donut night has been real fun. Time to sprint and time to race. Back to the donut case. Shoppers soon will want their treat. Which one will they want to eat? What? People eat us? Donuts want a long lifespan. Donut craft a donut plan. All must help. The cop, the crook, even Pan and Captain Hook. Straight line, me hearties, or ye off to Davy Jones in the pink box. My insides feel like jellies. Your insides are jellies. This had better work. Better than your airplane. Sun is up and rooster sings. Shop is open, shop bell rings. Time for donuts with the dawn, but hey! Where have all the donuts gone? Only empty trays and bowls. Donuts have a knack for holes. Where'd they go? Donuts. I hope you enjoyed this book. I hope you go get a donut or even make donuts. Make sure you have a maple bar because it's Miss Williams' favorite. All right, have a great summer. Aloha.